Archiving your post is actually very easy, and in this video I'll show you how to do that on Instagram. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is launch up your Instagram application and navigate to your profile. So you're going to click on the button at the far right at the bottom. Once you click on this button, it's going to load up your profile. Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to find the post that you want to archive. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to archive this video here. Now once we click on the three dots at the top of this video, we click on it. You can see as part of the options it says archive. Now we're going to click on archive, and it's going to open up a dialog box. So what we're going to do is you're gonna click on archive, and it's gonna say archiving. And when you look at your posts, you realize that it's no longer there. Now for you to see your archived post, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to your profile. There's a hamburger at the far right at the top. You're gonna click on that, and once you click on that, you're gonna see where it says archive under the header, how you use Instagram. And once you click on that, you're going to be able to find your archives here. By default it displays the stories archive, but once you click on this and you choose post archive, you should be able to see your archive. If you choose live archive, you see your live archives, and if you choose stories archive, you should be able to see your stories that you've archived. Now that's how to archive posts on Instagram. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.